It's tutorial time, let's jump straight in. So today I'm doing my Smoky Eye makeup tutorial and this looks like this. So this is me before, no makeup. We are starting off with the L'Oreal concealer and I use this as an eyeshadow base as I hate it as a concealer, it's so drying. But as an eyeshadow base it's really good. So I'm just taking that all along my eye, blending it in, making sure that I cover all of the eyelid, and I am doing that on both sides of the eye. So I've also shaped out my eyebrow with it just to give a little bit more definition to around the eye area. I like it quite strong and defined. So I'm just blending that in again on the second eye, and then I'm taking a bigger brush and then I'm going to blend out the edges because I don't want any harsh edges of concealer. Taking my trusty little roll of sellotape to give me the sharpest edge for my eyeshadow. Now taking the palette of the video, it is the Beauty Base Smoky palette, and I'm starting off with the shade Elephant, taking that all along the crease just to give that initial shadow colour. My next shade is slightly darker, this is Thunder. So what I'm going to do with this is just like what I did with Elephant, take it along the crease on the outside of the eye and then blend through again. I'm doing this obviously on both sides, but it's just going to deepen that colour ever so slightly. Going in with the lighter shade Marble now, and I put this underneath my brow because if I don't, I'm an oily skin girl and my mascara will go everywhere. I'm now going in with the shade Shadow, and again I'm literally doing the same thing over. So I'm popping this on the outer corner and then blending it in with a big brush. It's basically the same process all the way through, but you start with your lighter shades and then end up with your darker shades. I'm now going back in with the shade Thunder, and shocker, I'm putting this somewhere different. This is going to go on the inner corner of the eye and this is going to create a halo effect. It's now my favourite time of the tutorial, it is shimmer time. So I'm taking my shimmer and I'm going to put this on the centre of the lid for each eye. Look at that glow go, it's a glow girl. And because one bit of shimmer wasn't enough, I'm now taking Starfall on top of Wings to make it even more shimmery. Going back in with the Elephant and I'm blending this through. So I'm taking a tiny bit on both of these brushes and blending it into the shimmer shade. It is time to get dark. I'm taking the shade Tattoo and I'm lining from the outer corner to the inner corner of the eye, going all the way along the lash line. Satisfying part alert, I'm taking my sellotape off. Oh my days. Then doing my base off camera. Now going back in with Thunder, I'm taking this underneath the eye on an angled fluffy brush to get that smoky effect. Now going in with my black liner. I look absolutely possessed right now, but I'm putting this on my waterline, top and bottom eyes. Decided I wanted a little bit more definition, so I'm taking the shade Tattoo on the inner corner of the eye, as well as taking that on the bottom lash line and then clearing that up with a little cotton bud just to make it fully blended. I then found the biggest, fattest lashes that I owned and I stuck them to my eye. To do this I used the Duo lash glue and this was just the clear lash glue. Did my other lash off camera. Now to blend my fake lashes with my real lashes, I used a little bit of mascara to blend this through, and then I also took this just on the bottom lash line. Time for lips, and I'm using the Rimmel Cappuccino shade to line my lips. This is like the nicest, coolest brown colour. If you have fair skin or fair hair, I feel like this is the nicest sort of colour for you to go for. It's not too dark, but it gives that really, really nice definition to your lips. Afterwards, I went in with my Huda lip cream in Day Slayer. This was really brown. I tried to add a tiny amount and then I tried to blend it in with my finger, but I just did not like the colour. It just wasn't working for me. Added some of my number 7 Caramel Silk on top and this just neutralised that colour a bit. So much better. Then I panicked, so I was like, oh my god, I gotta fix my fringe. And then here is the final result. So we have got that cool toned, smoky, sharp from the sellotape, halo effect eye with shimmer, with matte, with everything. This is perfect for Halloween, perfect for autumn. I absolutely love this palette, I love these shades, and I love this sort of look. I hope you did too. As always, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.